Hi, I'm Janice. Welcome to my WordPress tutorials. And today we're going to look at how to install and configure a WordPress theme. We're going to look at a premium theme, which is by a company called Elegant Themes. And I just love them because they work really well with any browser, and there's lots of different themes that you can choose from that will go with, they'll be perfect for different types of small businesses or stores or bloggers or brands or individuals. So you can have a look on my website and see which themes I would recommend for different sorts of businesses. And basically, so I'm going to take you through the basics of how to do this by yourself. But before you get started, this will only work with self-hosted WordPress sites. So you're going to have your own domain name, and you're going to have WordPress installed there. Then you can go and choose your premium theme, or you can download a free theme from WordPress. And then you can just follow this video. It's 5 minutes long. It's really nice and simple, and I'll show you how to get everything right, from whether you want a blog style look or if you want a traditional homepage, and getting the colors right so that you can match up with your existing graphics or your existing logo. So we're gonna get started. If you get confused at any point, just press pause, go back over whatever you need to go back over, and if you get to the end and you're really confused, then just leave me a comment or get in touch. Good luck!
Okay, so for the first thing we're going to do is go into the dashboard. So just go to your domain and type in wp-admin at the end, and then go to Appearance and then Themes. And from here you can manage your themes, so either something you've previously uploaded, or you can click on Install Themes and you can upload a zip file containing the theme that you've chosen. So for example, if you've bought a premium theme, you can upload it now. It has to be a zip file though, and it has to be something that just has the theme files in it, not the Photoshop files. Click on Install Now. Nothing will change, so it's okay to install it even if you don't want your website to look different immediately. You can click on Preview and see what it might look like. And if you're happy, then just click Activate, and that is going to change how your live website looks. You can click on the live website link there, and this is how my website now looks. So now you've got to go into Appearance and then Theme Options, and you can upload your logo. So just choose a file from your computer. You can, if you don't have a logo, you can just use some kind of fancy text of some sort. Click Insert into Post. And you can do the same for uploading your favicon. Now the favicon is just that teeny tiny little image you'll see at the top of a browser bar. So it's just another way of customizing or personalizing your website or your blog. And now you can customize the background color. So basically, if you have existing graphics or a brand or a logo that you're working with, you can really precisely specify a color here. And now you can add, in this particular theme, you can add a texture, you can add a particular font that you want for the titles, and a different font for the body or the text. And then I'm just enabling all these things at the bottom because I'm going to experiment a little bit to see what I like and what I don't like. I'm putting in my Twitter URL. And then it says to add in the Facebook profile URL, but actually just bear in mind this is public, so put in your fan page address and not your personal address. And then you can change a few other settings, like for example the date format. And I'm going to tick use excerpts because I like to have custom written excerpts. And then you can just click Save Changes and then go and have a look and see what your live website looks like. So in this case, I noticed there's some weird stuff going on with my logo and the tagline, and actually this blog style format really doesn't work for me. I just don't like it. So I'm going to go back and see if I can do a more traditional looking home page. So back into Appearance and Theme Options, and then right down at the bottom there's this button that says Blog Style Post Format, and just disable that and click Save. Now I'm just messing around with a few other little settings Just doing a little bit of fine-tuning here, double-checking a few things. This background, basically now I'm using the WordPress. You can either use the WordPress background color picker or else the one that comes with the theme. Sometimes you'll find that some little things in the theme are broken. So in this case, my background color picker in the theme is broken, so I'm going to have to go and manually override that using the WordPress color picker. So you can see I keep on choosing a blue color and it keeps on coming out white. So I'm going to have to override that. So to do that, I go into the dashboard, and then in the appearance of the custom background, you can either use the color picker or else you can just type in an actual hex code and get a very precise color. To get to that section, you could also, rather than going straight to the dashboard, you can just, there's a little shortcut at the top of the page and you can go straight to the background from there.
So I hope that was pretty straightforward, and now you've got the beginnings of an idea of how to make a blog or a website that really suits you, that looks beautiful and that works. If you have any questions at all, just leave a comment or get in touch. Or you can hire me for a couple of hours to sort it out for you if it really is a bit too techy for you. In future tutorials, we're going to look at a few more things on the homepage. So there's a couple of different sections that you might want to switch off or on, and there's different ways that you can customize the featured slider so you can show your pages or your most recent articles. So we're going to look at those things, and I'm also going to show you how to install some really important plugins. So thank you for watching, and please come back again. Bye.